Welcome to Romp and Read. I'm Miss Lisa, and during this story time you will act out the story using your body, and this is a fun way to exercise. And we'll start by singing the song, Lots of Exercise. Here we go. We're jumping up and down, we're jumping up and down, we're getting lots of exercise, we're jumping up and down. We twist from side to side, we twist from side to side, we're getting lots of exercise, we twist from side to side. We bend and touch our toes, we bend and touch our toes, we're getting lots of exercise, we bend and touch our toes. We reach up to the sky, we reach up to the sky, we're getting lots of exercise, we reach up to the sky. Great job! The first book that I'm going to read is called Don't Splash the Sasquatch by Kent Redeker and Bob Stack. Hello, lifeguard Blobule. May I please sit by your pool? Of course you may sit by my pool, Señor Sasquatch. I hope I don't get splashed. I do not like to get my fur wet. It gets all squizzlefied. Okay. Don't splash the Sasquatch. Excuse me, lifeguard Blobule. May I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Elephant Shark. Here she goes to take a dip. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Splash! But please don't splash the Sasquatch! Uh-oh. Excuse me, lifeguard Blobule. May I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Mr. Octo Rhino. Here he goes. 1, 2, 3. Splash! But please don't splash the Sasquatch! Excuse me, lifeguard Blobule. May I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Goatwell. But please don't splash the Sasquatch! Oh no! Excuse me, lifeguard Blobule. May I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Loch Ness Monster Space Alien. Here he goes. Splash, splash, splash. Don't splash the Sasquatch. Oh no, we splashed the Sasquatch. We soaked the Sasquatch. We squizzlefied the Sasquatch. What should we do? We must spin the Sasquatch. Here we go. Spin the Sasquatch. Spin. We must shimmy the Sasquatch. All right, gotta dry him off. Shimmy him off. Dry him off. We must style the Sasquatch. All right, brush his hair and blow dry it and comb it, style it up. I do not like to get splashed, soaked, squizzlefied, spun, or shimmied, but I love my new style. Oh, Señor Sasquatch. What are you gonna say? Pool party! What's gonna happen at that pool party? Oh no! I've been squizzlefied. He's all wet again. The end. The next story I'm going to read is From Head to Toe by Carle. I am a penguin and I turn my head. Can you do it? Show us turning your head. Turn your head just like the penguin. Good. I am a giraffe and I bend my neck. Can you do that? You bend your neck just like the giraffe. Great. I am a buffalo and I raise my shoulders. Can you do that? Raise your shoulders up high. donkey and I wave my arms. Can you do it? Wave your arms like the monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I am a seal and I clap my hands. Can you do it? I am a gorilla and I thump my chest. Can you do it? I am a cat and I arch my back. Can you do that? Can you get down and arch your back just like that? I am a crocodile and I wiggle my hips. Can you do it? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I am a camel. I bend my knees. Can you do it? Bend your knees like that? Great. I am a donkey and I kick my legs. Can you do it? Go like that. Kick your legs. I am an elephant and I stomp my foot. Can you do it? Stomp, stomp, stomp. I am, and I wiggle my toe. Can you do it? Wiggle your toe. The end. This story I'm going to read is called Chicks Run Wild by Sudeepa Barden-Quallen and illustrated by Ward Jenkins. Every night up in their beds, pillows fluffed by their heads, chicks are tucked beneath the sheets. Go to sleep now, Mama tweets. Mama kisses each dear child, but when she leaves, those chicks run wild. Oh, run wild. Oh, here we go. Run, run, run. First, they wiggle and they thump and they jump and then they giggle and they thump, playing, swaying in their pajamas when they hear their tired mama. All at once the noisy riot disappears and soon there's quiet. Mama peeks inside and sees baby chicks all catching Z's. But she catches feathers moving. Mama glowers disapproving. Then she sighs, please close your eyes, and she says her last goodbyes. One more kiss for each child, but when she leaves, those chicks run wild. Oh, run, run. They count 1, 2, 3, and 4, then do cartwheels on the floor. When they somersault and leap, someone sees they're not asleep. Mama roars, you're all in trouble. Back in bed now, on the double. Wings on hips, she warns those chicks. No more games and no more tricks. One quick peck for each sweet child, and she slams the door. And those chicks run wild. Run! Run wild! And then they begin a pillow fight in the middle of the night as the feathers fill the air. They see Mama standing there. Baby chicks, yells tired Mama, look at all these chicken drama. I would like an explanation. Where is Mama's invitation? Baffled chicks stare at each other. Should they dare invite their mother? Does she really want to play? Come and join us, they all say. Mama dances with each child in the night. And they all go wild. In a squall, all fluffy feathers, all the fowl sashay together. Mama shows them how to prance and how to do the chicken dance. When the chicks begin to yawn, Mama clucks, my dears, come on. But the chicks fall to their knees, moaning, bedtime, Mama, please. Mama sees that they're all weepy. Her sweet chicks are finally sleepy. So she puts away their things, holds her babies in her wings. Chicks get tucked into their beds, pillows fluffed beneath their heads, cuddling underneath their sheets, no more stirring, no more tweets. One last kiss for each dear child. She leaves the room, and Mama runs wild. She does all sorts of things that she likes to do. The end. Bye.